Next is denying the impact of the past on the present. Ang isa sa mga expectations na nilalagay natin on ourselves is that when we started following Jesus Christ, na lahat ng Pasko ay makakalimutan na at di na ito makakaapekto sa atin. That is not true. Sometimes yung mga sins na ginawa natin before it starts creeping back in, yung sinful nature natin will remind us of what we were doing before when we were not Christians yet. Sometimes yung mga past natin when it comes to family or the things that we did in the past, bumabalik siya, and it can be a struggle for some of us to avoid and to really resist doing it again. Pero we have to face that reality that nandun pa rin siya. But you know what? Another reality is kasama na natin ang Diyos, na kahit dumadaan tayo sa mga ganitong mga pagsubok or nare-remind tayo ng mga sins na ginawa natin in the past, we already have God in us, indwelling in us, who will transform us and who will guide us to the things that we need to do.